Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are number 7 STL for 2023 for February. Uh, Basically, we go and look at what uh, February all has to offer for STL Patreons. There's a lot of STL Patrons. These are the ones I usually get. If there's one that you would prefer me to look at and get and see and put up on the screen, please let me know down in the comments. Please subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy. Let's get to it. We have Nutshell, another figures, I would say, but if they just, cheerleader. Yeah, I'm not gonna get much. So we have a whole bunch of cheerleaders. That's for January. But I don't know if that's for March. I mean February. But yeah, I don't like it. It's like you pay $1 or so, like so much, and we can get the stuff. I'm like, no, I need to see the damn thing to see if I want it or not. We got Kutan's figures, another figurine type. We got Princess Mononoke. It's work in progress. It looks pretty good. I like the one that Nom Nom did, and I have that from last month. So, and we have Jade, Joan of Arc. Loads. It loads. That looks like an actual nice figure for that. It's not actually painted, it's 3D paint. February lineup. So we have Joan of Arc, Princess Amanoke. I have no idea who she is. Probably Blood Raven. Maybe not. Probably the girl from Underworld. I don't know. You might know. Let me know down in the comments below. Okay, Stefan VS Script. Another figure. Jean Grey. I mean, they have an NSFW for it. And Critters. I think we already saw that last month. So I'm guessing just Jean Grey for how much? 750 is for one figure. I think that's just a little too much. But we have Myth Bowl RN Studio. For this month, we get Hulk Hogan. Space Case Marine with a freaking chainsaw. Uh, Gretchen. I don't know who the hell she is or that. I think that's supposed to be Elvis or something. I don't know. I don't know what that is, but yeah, I'm okay. Not gonna get this. I might get a Hulk Hogan just for shits and giggles, but that's the only thing I really want. I'm not really a WWE fan, so okay. I think we're gonna have to watch the video for this one without sound. So it looks like it's Drows and their thing. So we have the Drow girl Eleanor, Drow Warlord, whole bunch of stuff for it. But yeah, there's your Drider. Be low. Well, goddess will be low, but they have to copyright issues. I gotta change the name for it. Your Drow, your male Drow. The funny thing is that the female Drow is the most respectable one than the male, and it's kind of funny. And and the society of the Drow is very dark and grim for it as well. So that was pretty cool to learn a lot of stuff with the Drow as well. But I don't want WotC to change its lore. So this looks pretty good. All being wrapped up and everything to be consumed or to be turned. So you have your spider set. Yeah, there's still spiders. And your busts as well. That I'll definitely get. There is your thing there. Your Chinchilla STL collection. Batman, Freddy. So we have Scarlet Witch. We have the old school Batman. I need Batman to look like Thomas Wayne. I don't know which Batman this is. Dark Knight Returns, Spanish script. Okay, we got Superman. Then this is your welcome pack that we already got. So, well, there's your 3 poison for you guys. Hell, creator. For this month, 3 games I do not know or I haven't played. I don't think that's from Mass Effect. So probably something else. Probably find a name when I scroll down. Never played this game before, or the figure first. I have no idea. Never played this either. This looks like. Well, let's find out the damn thing. Okay, February character bonus. This is Ari and Rohan. Second one's Palma Palmer. Oh, this would be March one right here. And it's Kasumi from Mass. It is from Mass Effect. Then I know her. I just remember because I didn't play Mass Effect for a long time. So Broken Anvil used to do miniatures. They did Kickstarter and they stopped making stuff for everything. So yeah, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Their miniatures are pretty cool, but they're really late. So this is a 3D Wrap Top Studio. And this is your February one. Your Goblin the Snail. You got Gary. Your Goblin Jockey. That's pretty much it. How much is he charging just for these? $5.50? Nah. You can give me a little more than that for $5.50. So this is Anime Girls STL. So this Lucia will be your figure, female figure. He does one figure a month, I believe. Yeah, it's just one figure a month. So you have Lucia if you want Lucia. Don't know what anime or faction or stuff from it, but let me know down in the comments below. Okay, Asgard Rising miniature is good, but it's like a hit or miss a lot of times. Because I have a lot of undeads and different types of undeads. These are supposed to be the Viking undeads as well. Um, these are supposed to be good. Might be better for your type. If you're doing some type of northern type of a game, this might be a very good one to have. So we have next one, Stefan Script. Is the same one as the other one. I'll cancel that. Invictus. This is a sci-fi miniature one. So you have your Jeep with a gun, a robot with a gun, sort of a spider, and you have December invasion. January update, February update. Is that it? Oh, we got some aliens, insectoid aliens, female fighters, shooter, and a big ass knife assassin girl. A girl chef cutting a, looks like a Komodo dragon's head. Guy drunk. Guy with a pitchfork, and guy with a guitar. And this one looks like a scarecrow type, but if you're trying one little bit of steampunk type of thing, this would be pretty cool. I think out of all this, I want this one. This would be probably good for a orc car right here. So they're like more like what you call they're more for like Mad Max style for it. Nelson Extra Studio. The mini looks great. I just don't like a lot of time how they shape the head. So we have Electra for this month. I don't like the head. I like the figure of the Chun-Li. I just don't like the head of Chun-Li. So we're gonna skip that. So we have like a few more. I think this will be the last. Actually, no. Let's just power through and do the whole thing. So see a Biobreed Tala has been summoned. Okay, no. From Mortal Kombat, I believe. And this is Morgan Le Fay has arrived. Another one. I think this is from. I think it's Doom's mask right here. Lady Bullseye joins the welcome pack. I never heard of Lady Bullseye, but okay. I think those are the three that will be out for this month. If you're interested in those figures. Next one is Friends Kiss, another 3D. I think we already did this one. This one has the, yeah. And via Victus miniatures. For this month, I believe we have dwarves, Little Red Riding Hood, Hunter, and Grandma, and no really big bad wolf. Well, there it is. It's like $10. If you want fairy tale characters, people usually get the 3. A lot of times the extras you don't really have. A lot of times you already have a lot. I have a lot of dwarf files, so these I don't need. But these 3 would be pretty cool to have, and some of the terrain pieces and everything as well. Highland Miniature. They do a lot of Age of Sigmar style prints. For March, they have goblins, throwers. And they look a lot cooler and better than the ones that Game Workshop sells. A lot of time they could do a lot of detailing and just printing it from the 3D printer as well. Let's see, a Printer Monster, what we have for this month. So this is Spooky Swamp. So we have like Nurgle. This would be pretty good to use for Nurgle, especially this guy right here. But yeah, you have like Nurgle style type thing that you could print. That could be a proxy for your game for Age of Sigmar or Warhammer 40k. 3D Hex, another terrain portion as well. You have a kitty cat. Made a change in my life. My daughter has been born healthy. Therefore, the release writing will be slightly delayed. I had to take care of a lot of things. Okay, it is delayed. I hope your child is well. And there's nothing for Moljon. I already got the house. So yeah, that's pretty much it for end of February. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Let me know down in the comments which one you guys do like. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and Etsy. I hope you guys see you guys down there as well. And hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day, guys. Bye.